Melissa, South Africa, go fella. I'm so disappointed. I bought the food on the 6th of August at Boxam Kitchen Care here at Johannesburg, and I was staying at first floor at Park Coast. I found out that the renter was renting 900 at number 12 first floor. The landlord at Sibongile, I don't know her surname, she put poison on my food. She asked me, can we go to mess? And the Katiga, she just refused me to enter because they was busy putting poison on my mili and on the eggs. I changed the food at Boxam. They embarrassed South Africa. The South Africa is embarrassed because they use witchcraft. You don't have to gossip about my name. You don't have to steal for me.